Right, so welcome back to another one. It's dark, it's late, it's a Sunday, and we're going to be teaching my sister to drive. So she's 14, as you can tell by the title, so we have come onto private land. Obviously she can't drive on public roads. A, she isn't insured, B, she's not old enough, just a million things. So we just come onto private land, just makes our life a lot easier. She's done some driving, like in my car, obviously on private land, but we've never filmed it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. I think we're going to try and get into second gear and practice like the stopping and the starting. So are you ready? So yeah, I'm in the passenger seat now, she's in the driver's seat. So yeah, let's get this moving. I just want to say before the video starts, I'm not a professional.
Neither am I.
Yeah, she isn't one either. This is just for fun. Relax.
Relax.
Right, so firstly, I have taught you this in the past, but let's see if you remember. Where's first? Then second, third, fourth, fifth, third, fourth, first. No. There you go. So make sure it's out of gear. How do you check? No, it has to be more aggressive than that. Relax. just like this. Because look, when it's in gear, it still shakes. So you want to just do it once, and don't be like them people who sit there for half an hour shaking it like a retard. So now turn the key so all the lights on the dash come on. And then turn it on and hold it until the engine's on, and then let go. Jeez. Firstly, explain to me what you need to do to let the car go, to make the car go.
What do you need?
With the clutch and everything. No, just with the pedals.
You want me to show you?
No, tell me.
Put your foot on the clutch.
Yeah.
And then take the handbrake off and slowly, like, kind of go like that with the accelerator and the clutch.
That is waffle. So remember, once you're in gear, you do not come off of the clutch. Do you understand?
Yes.
So put the clutch down, then put it into first. Make sure you're comfy on the clutch first. Put it into first. Right, now do not come off of the clutch. I'll put off the handbrake when you're ready. But you want to bring the clutch up until you feel the car start to move, then apply some revs.
Sorry,
listen, and then apply some revs. Yeah, we're going to cruise into that spot in front. Then as we get there, I want you to put the clutch down, then gently brake. Yeah, don't break my neck with them brakes. Yeah.
I always forget this bit.
So how do you start? I'll take off the handbrake. Rev first. Rev. Hold it at about 1,500 revs. Very slowly off the clutch. Then remember revs. Hold the clutch there. Hold the clutch there. That's good. Then more. That's good. Hold the clutch there and rev. No, you're putting the clutch back. Hold the clutch where the car moves. So rev. That's good. Keep everything. Clutch down. And then rev again, and then like go again. Make sure we don't crash into that thing. Yeah, clutch down and brake. All right, yeah, but that's good. It could have been smoother, but we're here and you haven't stalled. Do you understand? Yeah. So now, if we take it out of gear, I want you to reverse back into the space we've just come from. Reversing is actually easier than going forward. So you pull it up, okay? Fucking hell, mate. And then yeah, the same thing again. There's an issue with my car. There's an issue with my car where the indicators come on with the reverse. I'm trying to get it fixed. No, I'll tell you. You just face forward and concentrate. Rev. Clutch down. Just cruise. Again, burst it. Clutch down. Roll. Tiny burst. And clutch down brake. That's good. Then out of gear. So now what we're gonna do is instead of stopping at the space, we're gonna mind that post, yeah? If you write off my car, I'm writing off your life. You're going to go through here and then around to there, yeah?
Wait, what? Say it again.
So you're going to go through to where we parked,
Yeah.
then to the right. And then we're going to...
Where? Oh,
To the right instead of going to the left. No, we're going to drive on we're going to drive on that road. No. And you're going to go into... I don't care. And you're going to go into second gear for the first time.
Okay.
Clutch down first.
Yes. Go.
Yeah, first. You keep your right foot on the throttle, but you hold the clutch just where the car starts to move. Don't put it down. Hold the clutch. Count to 3. And then once you count to 3, slowly come off it. Don't come all the way off it. Okay. Hold the clutch. Hold the clutch. That's good. Accelerate. Off the clutch now. Accelerate. Then clutch down. Into second.
It's in second.
No, it's in first. Come on. No, that's fifth.
Oh, sorry.
Right, yeah, go. Accelerate some more. Then clutch down.
What's this cunt doing?
Right, then off the clutch. Then accelerate or the clutch down. Clutch down. All right, accelerate. I'll do all the turning. Accelerate some more. So now clutch down and slowly brake. Slowly brake. Slowly brake. That's good. All right. I don't think I'm a good teacher. Yeah, put on your seatbelt, mate. So I don't think I'm the greatest teacher.
Can I go back round?
Yeah. So
Don't
listen.
instruct me, Thomas, because I need to do it myself.
No, wait, but you're
you can
taking.
instruct
You
me.
went into third.
I know. I realise that now. I always forget, but yeah. Okay.
And the trick is, once you're rolling, you have to accelerate. Don't put your foot down, but you have to accelerate, or the car will shake like it was. Easy on the clutch. All right, accelerate. All right, now straight. We're heading straight across. Accelerate. No, careful, and then clutch down. Off. All right, accelerate. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't take the piss. No, straight. Wait, straight. And then round to the right. Slowly. That's good. That's good. That's good. Accelerate. Right, then turn. I'll do this bit. Right, and then accelerate. Then we're gonna park just past this trolley thing, yeah? Okay. So on the clutch now. Stay on the clutch. Brake slowly, very slowly. Brake in, and then we stop. Was that okay? So I understand. I think I'm gonna hate this video because my voice, I must have been like panicked as anything. I don't like being the passenger, especially to someone who's 14 who can't drive. But you didn't stall once, so I must be doing something
really
right.
bad for you.
The camera angle was good, but yeah.
Good.
Hopefully you enjoyed. I do intend to do some more. Obviously advancing her as like the more she drives. So hopefully on the next one I shouldn't be as panicked. What a shambles! But yeah, thank you for watching. Cheers.